Happy 4th, y'all. Happy Independence Day. Today I am in Tampa, Florida. I am at the Westin, and it's on Courtney Campbell Causeway. So yeah, I'm living good right now. I see the Palmetto sign and the large high-rise hotel. Really, really nice. I'm definitely gonna have to put it on TikTok Go, but that's not what we're talking about today, y'all. We getting into this little bag right here. Yes, y'all, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Look, you can tell I just put lotion on my hands because it's getting all over the dang on bag. Now, they charged me for this bag, y'all. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Would you bring your prices up, Coach? I need you to come back with the black sturdy bags that I can use as my display. Because what you charge me $3 for this phone? Child. Anyway, let's get into it. No raised letters or nothing. Like, they tried it real quick. But y'all, I'm just about to go ahead and unbox this for you. So y'all, check it out. I love how they wrap this up. I do not know how they do it, but I'm here for it. Let's get into it real quick, y'all. Again, the box, they kind of got a little skimpy on us, but they did what they had to do, I guess. But I am actually an advocate of catching bags on sale, so I don't really pay retail most of the time for any of these bags. This is a Coach box. It is made with 75% recycled material. Kindly reuse or recycle it. Our planet will thank you. I don't know how you're gonna be able to recycle a box. Well, I guess I can recycle it, yes, as long as I don't tear it up. I'll find a recycling bin and make sure I put it in there because I won't be keeping this. But y'all, here it is. What do y'all think it is? Can you tell already? It's from the outlet. It's from the latest drop, July 1st drop. It's from the July 1st drop. Y'all, without further ado, let me just get into this box here. I'm just gonna do it on top of this just because it's raised a little bit for me. Okay. I want to try to not tear stuff up, but oh, they wrapped it so cutely. They had a special way of wrapping it. Oh, I end up tearing it up anyway. All right, and y'all see what it is already. You know the shape of the bag. Y'all see that? It was not factory wrapped. All their bags are already out and open. I wish they would start factory wrapping them maybe and make it a little bit more boutique-ish like the retail store. It just gives it a little higher quality experience to me, you know. And then I get it, you pack it up with the white stuff, but leave the pillow also. But y'all, this is what I got. I got the Rowan, the brand new Rowan bag. I love it. It's giving that pebbled leather feel. There are no feet at the bottom, but it is so adorable. The signature jacquard, super, super cute. It does have a hang tag on it. I won't be able to get this printed with my name or initials or anything like that because it is not a retail bag. Therefore, I have to unfortunately just deal with this, which has the Coach label on it, which is awesome. But look at all the other details. Now, y'all know how I compare outlet to retail, and there are differences. They are slight though. I do feel like that these are quality bags as well. Super quality. I mean, you see the hardware on it, the brass hardware. I just feel like they don't skimp on it. They put the name or the print all on it. Even on the side, you see that? The ring to put the bag together is still there. Y'all know this bag retails at $2.95, but I got it for $1.99 is what they have it marked as, which is awesome. I would have liked a little bit larger, but it works. It's definitely a decent size. Now we're going to get into the inside of the bag as well. Do show you a back zip. Not much that you could fit in here in the back. Like, I have a phone, but I can't fit my phone in it, I don't believe. You could probably just get like a card in it. Let me see. Oh no, I can get my phone in there. And y'all have a 16 Pro Max, so it fits. I'm quite sure that the 17 will fit as well. Now let's put in key card for the hotel, the Westin. That fits in there also. Now one thing that I always keep are my tags. So I'm just gonna definitely put my tag in here. All right. Now, yeah, I don't know what made me do this out here in the hot sun, but I am sweating. I am perspiring heavy. But isn't that adorable so far? Look, they even have the Coach logo on this small little screw or whatever. It's everywhere. I just feel like for them to be this, what do they call it? Like a mid-range luxury bag. I just feel like they hold back nowhere. Look at the D-ring. It also has the Coach logo on it. Like, you're just not going to be able to mimic what Coach does. Like, you know how they have dupe bags and stuff like that? I don't know if how much you pay attention to it, but it's everywhere. Coach, 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 Coach. And then here too. Lovely, y'all. Let's get inside the bag as well. Now, like I said, it's not factory wrapped. They already got rid of everything for us, except for she did go ahead and package it back up for me. So it comes with a crossbody strap. Just a leather crossbody strap. What is this right here? Oh, I don't know what that's about. It's like it has a little perforated mark in it. I guess this is to show the mid section or something. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, kind of. I guess that's where it folds, but it extends pretty far. So I definitely will be able to fit this bag as a crossbody bag. I like my crossbody to fit pretty low. So we'll work with that here in just a minute because it is giving me a hard time. But let's get inside the bag and put all this cushion in my sack. And I still don't know what these are for. I'm gonna look them up one day and just see what that's about. In the meantime, I'm gonna put it back here. Y'all, the bag though, now that I took out all the cushion and stuff like that, it is pretty flexible. As you can see, it's not super sturdy, but it's not gonna fall over either as far as like collapse in on me or anything like that. I think I could fit a lot of stuff in here. It's not as large as my Speedy bag. I'll put this in the bag too. Not as large as my Speedy bag, but if I would have got the largest one, it would have been as large as my Speedy bag. My Speedy bag is a Louis Vuitton bag. The thing about this is they did not sell this bag in a larger version. This is the largest. This is the just the regular. They have a mini though that they did sell it in, but not this one. All right, let's go ahead and put this on. The D-rings. I never know how the D-rings are supposed to go on. So I just put this facing here all the time, and I have them up. I don't know if it matters, but y'all see that? Cute, cute, cute. So I'm probably like a regular torso girly, whatever. But like I said, I like for my strap to be long. So I think this is good enough. And we're gonna leave it like that. Y'all see how long that is? Awesome-o. Y'all tell me what you think about this. Did anybody else get any of these bags from this latest drop? Or did you think that, because I'll be honest with you, I don't like all the drops. I'm not, and I keep it real with y'all. That pink drop, y'all could have all of that. Unless it was the Kiss Lock bag. I did not care. But y'all, I knew that I had to have something from this red drop. I need a red bag. I just need one. I haven't had another red bag since my Michael Kors bag that I bought years ago. So I just felt like I needed another red bag, and this fits perfectly. And I did not want to get the city tote just because the red city tote looks just like the Michael Kors tote that I got. The Michael Kors tote that I got is just longer. So I'm happy with my purchase. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. I'm a little bit sweaty, but I'm gonna try it on for y'all, okay? All right, here we go. Okay, guys, just showing you how the bag looks on me, the size of it versus me and stuff like that. I am pretty satisfied with it. I am going to give you some terrible news, though. This bag has sold out as of right now. Unfortunately, it has sold out in this color. They still have it in the color of my dress. They still have it in that color. They still have it in the signature black and several other colors. The only one that they have in red is going to be the mini one. It's much smaller than this one. Tiny, okay? So you could put your cell phone in it probably, and a card, not a whole wallet or anything like that. But they still have some available, so not all hope is lost. However, I mean, I can imagine that these are probably going to pop up in other places like Railed and Walmart and other places like that. If it does, I mean, hopefully you can snatch up one of those. Y'all, this bag is so adorable to me. I really ended up like being gagged about it. I really think it's a cute bag, y'all. Very functional. I'm gonna get gold chains. I'm gonna decorate this bag up. I'm also gonna get a scarf to hang around the handle, probably red. I'm not really for sure what colors it's gonna be in it. I'm thinking red and like a cute brownish goldish type of color would be adorable on this bag. So I'm definitely gonna dress it up, y'all. I do believe that it's pretty functional, and I'm happy with my purchase, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. I want you to have a happy and very, very safe 4th of July, guys. Bye-bye.